Come test drive the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, brake assist, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, passenger vanity mirror, split bench seat, steel wheels, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, tires rear all season, tires front all season. Your new ride is just a phone call away.